Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about these Coco Coir Seed Starter pellets that let you germinate seeds in just 1 or 2 weeks, and these have become my first choice now when it comes to seed starting for my home garden. And this works for a traditional garden as well as something modern like a hydroponic setup. So let's quickly see what preparation is needed and how we can quickly germinate seeds in this pellet. So using these is pretty simple. You would first need to place these in a seedling tray and then pull the outer cover a bit towards the top, and that would essentially give this a little extra height. Now let me do that for all of these pellets that I've got here. Now once that is done, the next step would be to add some water into these pellets. Ensure that you have some fertilizers like water soluble fertilizers added to the water. Organic or chemical based fertilizers, I will leave that completely up to you. And once you start adding the water, you'll notice that the pellet starts expanding, and you need to let these expand to their maximum height, but also ensure that you don't pour too much water into the tray. Otherwise when the seeds start growing, they'll rot. So you need to ensure that the water proportion is just adequate and not too much. So here's a little comparison of how much the pellet has expanded from its original size, and now we can get to the next step of putting seeds into this. And I'm going to use these broccoli seeds that I've got here, and what we will do is make a small hole in the pellet using a toothpick and then insert 1 to 2 seeds in each one of the pellet. Post that, we'll cover this up with the coir material that's inside and give it a little dab on the top. And now you can cover the seedling tray with a cover and leave it under the sun or a grow light for 1 to 2 days, and this will essentially create a humid environment that will help in faster seed germination. Now post 2 days, you can remove the cover and keep watering the pellets using a dropper every day for 1 to 2 weeks. While watering, you just need to ensure that you pour the water very slowly. Otherwise, the seeds would get dispersed and cause the small roots to get damaged. So ensure that you pour the water very slowly. Do it every day for 1 to 2 weeks. And now here's the result after 2 weeks. So the sapling is ready and it can be transplanted to a bigger pot. So you just saw how simple it was to germinate seeds and grow them into a sapling using the coir pellet. If you have any questions about this product or the process in general, you can leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.